I'm excited to talk about the new Office experience. Over 1 billion people on the planet use Office. We are on the beginning of a journey, and we recognize it impacts people every day. As we are making these changes, we focus on 3 things: customer input, context, and giving people control over their experience. Here we are in Office.com, and you'll see when I scroll over things, they pull forward with shadow and depth. We're bringing the Fluent design system that's across Microsoft to the web and to Office, and evolving Fluent as we go. So I'm going to jump into a document, and I've opened Word, and you'll notice that it opened very fast. Office is rebuilt on a modern platform to be faster than ever. Here's the new Simplified Ribbon, and I'll click through some of the tabs so you can see some of the animation that we've put inside of the ribbon. This is also part of our Fluent design system. There's speed and velocity, and you'll notice that the line underneath the tabs animates in place. And these icons were designed to be inclusive and accessible from the get-go. They're higher contrast, and we use color in just the right places to help people find the commands they're looking for. For people who prefer to dedicate more screen space to showing commands, they can expand the ribbon into the classic view with all of the commands in place. That option to expand will continue to be available to users, so everyone can choose the experience they prefer. We continue to enhance the collaboration experience inside of Office documents. Here you'll see all of the collaboration commanding in one corner. And I have avatars of my colleagues working inside of the document. Each has a designated color around them, so you can identify them easily inside of the document. I can open comments from people who have actually edited the document and responded to the document before. We're bringing the same design system across platform, so here I am in Word on Windows. And you'll see we have the same animations, the same icons in the ribbon. Like you saw on Word Online, Outlook also has the Simplified Ribbon. The Simplified Ribbon lets you focus, leaving more room for your content. We're committed to making it easy for users to learn and explore these updates before we roll them out. I've got the Coming Soon features turned on. This new setting is a way to give our customers more control over the changes when they take effect. And when I open it up, you can learn about the new changes that are happening and give us feedback. Another really exciting enhancement is personalized intelligent search across Microsoft. It makes suggestions on actions you can take, content you may be looking for, and people you may want to connect with, based on your work patterns, using machine learning and Microsoft AI. One of the first apps in which you'll see this search experience is Outlook on the web. By giving search this prominent placement, we help people focus on what is important. Here, it anticipates that I might want to revisit a search, find a person, or go to an upcoming meeting. This is a quick walkthrough of the new Office experience.